Good morning, class. Today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study mathematics of class 10th, chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variable, which is on your book page number 57 to 58. In this video, we will study the third method of solving the pair of linear equation, that is the algebraic method, that is cross multiplication method. So far we have learned how to solve the pair of equation in two variable by graphical method, substitution method and elimination method. Graphical we have done, substitution we have done and elimination we have done in the previous video. Here we have introduced one more algebraic method to solve the pair of linear equation, which for many reasons is very useful method for solving these equations. Why? Before we proceed further, let us consider the following situation. The cost of 10 oranges and 3 apples is 35. The cost of 2 oranges and 4 apples is 28. So if we take the cost of each orange be x and the cost of each apple be y, then we can say that 5x plus 3y is equal to 35, and the second equation is 2x plus 4y is equal to 28. Shift all the things on the left hand side, so we can say that 5x plus 3y minus 35 equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 28 is equal to 0. Now these equations, these are the general form of writing the equation to deal with cross multiplication method. On the right side we have to take only the 0. All the terms should be shifted to left hand side of the equation. Now we have the equation. Let us use the elimination method to solve these equation. Okay. Multiply the equation. Okay. Which one? The first equation, to make the coefficient of whom y variable equal. So we multiply it by 4, so get the coefficient of y as 12, and it should be multiplied with 3 to coefficient of the y as 12. So we have multiplied the first equation by 4 and the second equation by 3. So we get 4 into 5 x plus 4 into 3 y plus 4 into minus 35 equal to 0. Similarly 3 into 2 x, 3 into 4 y plus 3 into minus 28 is equal to 0. Now what we do, we will eliminate, subtracting the equation 4 from equation 3. Fourth equation को third equation में subtract करेंगे, ठीक है? So let us do the subtraction. So while doing the subtraction, we will place a sign over here doing the subtraction. So plus will become minus, minus, minus. Okay. So 4 into 5x minus 3 into 2x. So we take 4 into 5 minus 3 into 2, x is common. Then 4 into 3 y minus 3 into 4 y. We have take y as common. 4 into minus 35 minus 3 into minus 28 is equal to 0. Now we can get the value of one variable from here, as the x part is, we are able to get the value because y is finished. Why is finished over here? Because this is entirely equal to 0. Okay. So we get the value of x, the constant term divided by the coefficient of x. So we get the value of x. Now if we write the general form of the equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So here you can get the value of x in terms of the coefficients, because over here you can write simply, okay, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now what is this actually is, if you write both the equations in this way, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now write the coefficient, write x over here and coefficient over here. a1, a2, y over here, and the coefficient over here I am writing with the different color, b1, b2, and 1 over here, and I write the coefficient constant c1 and c2. Now when you have to find the value of x, okay, forget about this, multiply b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1. See over here, b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1. Secondly, the value under it will be, now what you have to hide is, you have to forget about this part. Then you have to multiply a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Clear? So you get the value of x. This is the way to get the value of x. Okay. The denominator part will remain same for both x and y. See. Now to find the numerator part of y, what you have to do? Again you write a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2, and on the top we have written x, y, and 1. Now for the y value, forget this and write x one time over here again, a1, a2. So what we have to do is, we have to find the value of y. So c1 into a2, c2 into a1, and the denominator is same. Okay, so this is the way we get the value of y. So this is what is called cross multiplication method, by which we are able to solve the equation without making any of the coefficient of any variable equal. We can deal with any equation with, okay, without making any change. We direct move to this method. So these are the outcomes of this type of method, where we are able to solve x and y with the help of the coefficient and the constant term in a particular equation. So in this way we are able to solve x and y, and these are the cost of one apple and one orange. Okay, you can verify it also by substituting the values in the given pair of equation and get to the solution. Thank you.